April 13th, 2018. Here's another look at this. Watch this, guys. If you can see this. See that? Now, this is miles and miles apart. And I look at it in two different directions and where this storm is, but look at this. I could go over here, then it lights up way over there. It's like it's traveling. It takes sometimes a few seconds to go all the way across. And again, I've never seen nothing like it. Here, watch again. Over here, it's a sky, funky looking too. But sitting here watching this travel. I move this as I move this. It's like it's traveling across all the way across the sky. Going from west all the way towards east, northeast. That's something. I'm gonna do this one more time. Got over here in time to see it. It's amazing. I don't know what to think of that. And it's tree line so far away now. Just strange. I've never seen lightning travel for miles and miles from one from west all the way to east. Very strange. Very strange. Until next time, guys, have a good one.